Hey future millionaires, my name is Isabella, and I became a self-made millionaire within 2 years from the power of online business. Today, I'm gonna be talking about one of the most hardest topics for people in the beginning of their dropshipping and online business journeys, which is how can I find products to sell? I have sold a wide range of different products in my online business journey, and I know the ins and outs of what sells, what doesn't, what's a waste of your time, what you should be focusing on selling for you right now. So this video today will help you to do that, and I'll be providing you with all the resources of how to actually find these products so you can start selling them yourself. I love dropshipping so much because you're able to do this way of testing different products to sell without making any full commitments like you have to do with inventory e-commerce. You guys already know people usually charge thousands of dollars for knowledge and education just like this, and all I ask in return for the free education is hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create videos and content just like this. So number one, and the most important thing that I need you guys to get in the right mindset for and start with, is you need to pick a niche and then you will find products. I tell you to pick a niche because that's the key to growing this business over the next 10 years. Not chasing trends and only relying on one product to sustain you long term. When you pick a niche, you can add multiple products to your store in the same niche. There's horrible advice out there that people will tell you to just chase trends or to just have a general store. This just looks messy and will make your online store look scammy. We want to look professional, legitimate companies. So this is very important. So what makes a winning product? I always say it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So here are 4 questions that I wrote out for you guys that you must ask yourself as you are looking for products to sell. And I'm gonna help you find those products today as well. Do I have basic knowledge about this product that I can market? Does this product have a wow factor of some kind? What problem does this product solve? How can this product improve someone's life? So in the beginning of my journey, when I first started dropshipping when I was 16 years old, I started just by finding products and suppliers on AliExpress. Now, hence, that was 10 years ago. And a lot has changed as far as what's out there to actually help you and make your life so much easier when finding a product to sell. So there's 2 ways to go about doing this. You can either search for platforms like AliExpress to find suppliers and products, or you can use an all-in-one platform like this one, AutoDS. So of course you can go on AliExpress and just click on the ships from US button, and you will see a lot of different products here that you guys can start dropshipping. But of course there's a couple problems that you might run into with this. You won't have auto fulfillment, and sometimes it is a little bit difficult to sift through this, although it is possible. If you don't already know what AutoDS is, AutoDS doesn't just help you find winning products to sell with fast shipment times, but it also helps you just automate your entire dropshipping journey. It has a huge library of different products to sell in your dropshipping store with fast shipment times, and that is what you should always be looking for as a dropshipper. I actually created an entire 1-hour free course for you guys all about dropshipping. So if you haven't already watched that and you really want to start your dropshipping journey, I've linked that in the description box below for you guys. This free course will walk you through everything you need to actually get started. In the description box down below, you will also find a free AI store builder because people are really out here trying to charge you thousands of dollars to build an online store for you. So I got involved in developing an AI bot that will build your store for you 100% free. So that's linked down in my description box below as well. So I love visuals and examples. So let's do an interactive activity together. I'm gonna pull up products that I have looked through today, and I'm gonna talk about them on whether or not they are good products to sell for you and worth selling or not, just so you can gain the knowledge and the discernment to do the same thing on your own as you are looking for products to sell. So let's look at this product. It's a 2-pack bamboo plates bamboo tray, and it costs you $32. That's the price from your supplier. Is this a thumbs up or is this a thumbs down? I'm definitely giving this product a thumbs down, and here's why. So first of all, I think, okay, how the heck am I gonna market this bamboo tray? This is a product that someone can just go to Dollar Tree or to Walmart or to Target or wherever store and just buy. This is the type of product that you can just go to any store and purchase. It's nothing special that really will stand out in content or in videos or ads. Here's another product. watermelon slicer cutter. It only costs 99 cents from the supplier to sell this, but again, I'm giving this a thumbs down because this product, in my opinion, just doesn't have enough of a wow factor to actually sell it. It's just very basic in my opinion, and even though some people do capitalize on more basic products, it's just not what I recommend. Here's our next product. This is an LED projector drawing table toy for kids. And this product only costs $2.69 from our supplier. I'm just gonna go ahead and search for this product on Google. So I found a similar product just by searching on Google that this store is selling this product for $54. So the profit margins of this product are insane. And it's not just the profit margins that I'm actually looking at, but you can see that there's definitely a wow factor and use behind this product. Especially if you are someone watching where you have kids. You can literally buy a sample of this product for only $2. Get your little cousins or kids to play with it, record them, and you now have tons of content that you can produce for your online store. We'll talk about marketing later in this video. So this product, I am giving a huge thumbs up because we can check off all those boxes that of the questions that we're going through in our head about the product. I have basic knowledge about this product, even though I don't have kids yet. This product has a wow factor. This product solves a problem. And this product can improve a lot of parents' lives by giving these little kids an activity that is very eye-catching and very cute. So even if you sold 20 of these products per day, that's $1,000 in one day. So here's our next product. This is a 3-in-1 electric cleansing brush. Right now, the supplier has it for $23. So I have seen this product being sold for $50 to $60. And you can see that you can also create a lot of content around this product. It does have a wow factor to it. You can also then brand yourself on this product. So this product, because it's in the beauty niche, you can definitely add more products onto it later. It's another winning product. So I'm giving this product a thumbs up. Here's another product, Smart Music Boxing Machine. It's an LED wall target. I thought that this had a wow factor and it looks like something that you could charge $50 to $60 for. This supplier has it for only $17. So this is another product that has a wow factor that you are able to create a lot of videos about and has something eye-catching about it where you can also charge a lot of money for it because it's something more interactive and fun. So after seeing these examples, I really hope that helped. Like I said, I love to see visuals and examples. It's how I learned. So hopefully by just seeing these different examples, it will help you as well. Now I'm gonna walk you through finding the best way to find and source winning products so you can get this online store going. So just to get you caught up to where we are now, if you haven't already, you'll wanna make sure you sign up with Shopify using the link in my description first. After you click the Shopify link in my description, it will bring you here. You're just gonna enter in your information here and just skip through these questions. Just make sure you confirm your email with Shopify and now that will be ready to go. You do need to get this done before you sign up for AutoDS. Now we can get your AutoDS account set up so you can follow along with this tutorial step by step. And again, to make sure that you get an entire month free with AutoDS, just make sure that you do use that link in my description that I put for you guys down below. This link will get you an entire month free with AutoDS. So this is the page that you're gonna be taken to. And now we're gonna just create an account in order to activate this free trial. So to do this, just click on Get Started. Then we're just gonna enter in our email, full name, and password, and then just click Join. Once you're done with that, it's just gonna take you directly to this screen, which will say Welcome to AutoDS. And as you can see, the first thing that it says is let's add your first online store. So just click on Add Store here. And the next question it'll ask you is what store are you starting? And we just opened the Shopify store, so now we're fully ready to go. So we'll just connect this store through here. It's then gonna just take you directly to the Shopify App Store where you will see this. So just click Install and then click Login. And the store that you just made will now pop up here. So just click on your store, then just click Install App right up here, and it will be connected in seconds. So now you officially have your AutoDS account connected to your online store. So now that your store is connected, all we have to do now is find your winning product. And remember, AutoDS is a fulfillment center and a product research app. So we are able to do everything through here. So there's 3 main product research sections that AutoDS has, which is the handpicked products, trending products, and TikTok Spy. So the handpicked products section here is where you're gonna find all the products that AutoDS has available. And you can see here that they have different categories and tons of different options that you can go through here. You're able to narrow down your search by the country, price range, and category. And they also have this fast shipping button, which will show you all the products with the fastest shipment times. And some of these products have like crazy fast shipment times. Like this one is literally around 2 days. And they also update this daily, so you can always find new products being added here. So even if you find the product elsewhere, you can import it manually and request for a quote that will give you much faster shipment times. So once you pull up a product that you're interested in, you can actually see right here all the data it gives you. And it even shows you how to price the product based on competitors, shows you what the profit of the product would be, who the target audience is, and even shows you competitors that are selling it right now. So you can actually click here and we can go directly to their websites to see them. And you'll also notice right here, they also have this section where you can see the different advertisements that people are running. So you're able to click through these videos and actually get ideas for your own marketing. This is actually one of the most powerful features in my opinion. They also have this feature here called the TikTok Spy. And this tool just lets you see a bunch of different TikTok ads and content that is performing well on the platform. And by using this feature, you can get a bunch of different insights on what's trending on TikTok and gives you inspiration for your own products to add to your store. And you can just filter through all the videos here using these different search options and filters here. So after following all the tips that I've given you so far, you should now have your winning product. Even if maybe you have to spend some time on this on your own and then come back to the video, that's totally normal. It definitely takes just time and just looking through, searching through, and really figuring out what's gonna be right for you. But what's great about a niche store and you picking one specific niche is that you can sell multiple products in one store. So if one product's not doing so well, you can then just switch to another product. And it's not like you have to revamp your whole store if you're just setting it up as a one product store. Another really important thing when picking your niche that I just want to talk about is you want to make sure that you pick a niche that you have some sort of knowledge about, like we talked about. I am not going to sell a sports related product because I don't really know that much about sports. I'm gonna find myself a lot better probably in the beauty niche or maybe in the pet care niche because I have a dog or because I do use beauty products. Each one of you are all individual and different in your own way. So some of you guys might have a huge advantage over other people with certain niche types. That's why I say there's not one specific niche that I would recommend for everyone. Even me, because I'm not a man, I'm not gonna sell a male grooming product. But if you're a guy that likes to keep up your beard or something, maybe that will be a perfect niche for you. This is the mindset that you just have to have. And by just looking through lots of different products, you should really have an idea in mind. So hopefully this helps. The most important thing is that you should have a high profit margin, like we talked about, a product that you know something about, and that answers all those questions that we went over. So step 3 in your dropshipping journey is going to be automation. Now, AutoDS does automate your entire dropshipping journey. So once you get a sale, because your store is now connected with AutoDS, your supplier will ship the order and that product straight to the buyer without you having to do anything extra on your end. And you are able to fully set this up through AutoDS. And of course, I did make an entire free 1-hour course video on my YouTube channel of how to actually set up all these little technical things. So I'll link that free course also down in the description box below because it has everything, every little technical aspect that you could possibly need as you were starting your dropshipping journey. So definitely do not sleep on that free course. Remember guys, on your dropshipping journey, you're gonna run into different problems, different things, different failures, and that is so normal. And that is why I love the dropshipping business model so much, because you are able to make these mistakes, fail, and you're not, throwing a bunch of money into a business, you're not ordering inventory, so the mistakes can happen. So a lot of you guys I've seen will try one thing and then you just aren't seeing results right away and you guys just give up. And I just wanted to kind of just give you guys a mindset boost because I tried many different things until I found what really worked for me. So just remember that no matter what, it's never a failure, it's always a lesson, and you can always take whatever you learned from that failure and just apply it to the next thing so you wind up winning. One thing about me is I never stopped. I always tried and failed and just did different things until I found what worked for me. And the biggest reason of why I think I'm successful today is I just never stopped. But again, this is why building a niche store is so important, like we talked about earlier, because if one product doesn't work out, you can just use another one. Organic marketing is so powerful for your online store, and I do have an entire free course about it on my YouTube channel, so make sure you definitely go watch that free course if you haven't already. I also linked it down in the description box for you guys. Because remember, like I said, it's 25% the product, 75% how you market it. So we can almost kind of strategize what we are selling just by checking out some other videos and getting inspiration. Then it's all gonna start to just kind of link together and make a lot of sense as you are looking for products to sell. So now let's talk about products that you should not sell in your dropshipping stores. Products that we just looked at, like spoons and like random like little house supplies, I had just never seen success dropshipping. These products are more useful if you are doing like Amazon dropshipping or if you're doing like other forms of dropshipping that aren't involved in the actual building of a brand. I wanna set you guys up for success long term, so depending on the niche and the product that you pick, this is what's gonna define that. So I wouldn't really sell products that like you can just go to the store and find. I just wanna reiterate this because this is very important. I see people trying to drop ship things that are just not going to grab people's attention and that are not gonna make you stand out. Another great idea and just a little tip for you guys is when you're looking for products to sell, finding products that you can market as a luxury product can actually make you way more money and skyrocket your profit margins. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you learned lots from today's video. You guys already know my YouTube channel is your #1 source for 100% free education and courses. All I ask in return is smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to my YouTube channel so I can continue to create free courses and videos just like this. Of course, if you have any questions about how to find products to sell or anything that's in relation to this video topic today, feel free to comment down below. I do try to respond to all of my comments. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at BaddieInBiz, BaddieInBiz for more business inspiration and updates. Knowledge is the most powerful thing in the beginning of your journey. And I will see you guys in my next free course. Bye everyone.